Hey, hi guys. Today's topic of discussion in the product management concept playlist would be customer journey maps. In the previous videos, we have already discussed about how to create a user persona and segment your users into different kind of segments. We have already discussed why to create a user persona and why to divide your user segments. What benefits do you get out of these activities? And continuing the playlist, we have today's topic of discussion, that is creation of customer journey maps or user journey maps. They both are the same things. This is also a part of User Research 101, and we will discuss about what is a customer journey map and how do we create one and why is it actually needed and how does it benefit us in our process of product management. I will also be sharing a custom template for that would be beneficial for you guys in order to create your own customer journey maps. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is a customer journey map? So let me just start by giving you an example. So whenever we try to accomplish an activity that consists of multiple steps, we can track each and every step, and that is called an entire journey. So let's say we take an example of Netflix. The There is an onboarding journey on Netflix. There is an activation journey on Netflix, and the journey we are talking about in this example would be to browse, or let's say not to browse, but to share a particular show that you have liked on Netflix. So each and every step we would discuss in this funnel. So first you open the Netflix app, then you either go to the recommendations itself or you can directly search in the search bar for your particular show. Once either of this step is completed, you get to the point where the show is in front of you. Now, there are three dots at the top right corner on which when you click, you get an option to share that particular show through a shareable link. So when you click on that, you get multiple media options through which you can share this information to any other person. Some of the channels would be like email, WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, and other channels also. So you need to now select a particular channel. Let's say you select WhatsApp. As soon as you click WhatsApp, it takes you to the contact page of WhatsApp, and you need to search for your particular contacts to which you want to share this particular show. So you need to search that particular contact, and when you search that particular contact, you click on the name of the contact, and there is a link and a preview that is automatically uh, placed in the typing text place, and you just need to hit the send button. As soon as you hit the send button, the entire message is sent to the person you want to share the show with. So this was an entire journey I was talking about. In this entire journey, you had to click multiple times, you had to type multiple times, and all these steps that are taken by the user constitute the user journey, uh, the customer journey, and the map that we are going to make out of this journey is called a user journey map. So just going by the text, visual representation of the customer's interaction with the product or service. So in this case, the product or service was Netflix. Illustrates the complete life cycle of a customer's experience. So now the complete life cycle is limited to a particular journey we are talking about. So journeys can be of many kinds, and this is for a particular journey we are talking about. So why do we actually need the customer journey map? So it provides basically a holistic view of the customer experience, and it identifies the pain points and areas for improvement. So let's say now we have already discussed an example of Netflix where we are sharing a particular show. So at each step, we were going through the users, we were putting our legs into the user's shoes, and we are imagining what the user has to go through each of the step in the entire journey. So at each step, if we want to understand what is the pain point that the user is having exactly, then it would be easy for us to solve that pain point. And since we are targeting each and every step, there is no possibility that we are missing out on any particular pain point. So this customer journey map basically helps in identification of pain points and areas of improvement. It also helps in understanding customer needs, motivation, and emotions. So while sharing the uh, uh, while while in the example that we discussed, while sharing that particular show, the users must have emotions at different screens. Like when he's sharing that show to his or her friend, then he's having a sense of nostalgia and excitement that the person to whom he's sharing would be seeing that show and giving him the feedback. So there is some kind of excitement there. So there the emotions can also be tracked through this customer journey. Now, since we have an idea of this, I would just give you an example template of how it can be done. So this is the example template. As you can see on your screen, there are different kind of phases of a particular journey. And in each phase, we are defining certain steps to that particular user. So a journey map visualizes the process that a person goes through to accomplish a goal. In its most basic form, it starts by compiling a series of user actions into a timeline and then fleshing this out with the user's emotions and thoughts to create a narrative. So this was some kind of theoretical part. You just focus on this image to the right side. You are seeing different kind of phases, and these phases represent the start to the end of the journey of the person. At each phase, we can mention the scenario, the goals, the touch points, the emotions, what the user has to go through in order to complete that journey. So let's understand it through an example of Spotify. So we are studying the music sharing experience of Spotify. So that you can see it properly, I would just zoom it in. So I think now it would be visible to you properly. So first we are talking about the stages. Then we are talking about the steps. We are talking about the thoughts, touch points, actors, emotions. So these are the different dimensions of the journey map that we would be talking about. So let's first talk about the stages. So there are different kind of stages. This is the music sharing experience journey. So if you can imagine, a person would be opening the app, searching for a particular song, then that song shows up. He needs to share that particular song, and then he needs to share through a particular channel and receive the feedback. So this is the overall view. Let's see the stages. So the person visits, opens Spotify on phone. He listens to the song either through the recommendation or searching. Listen and discover can be a singular part also. So when he wants to share the song, he needs to click on the three dot menu next to the song. In that, he needs to select the share option in the drop down menu. He can copy the link and send it to the person through any channel. In this case, the person name is Grace and the channel name is WhatsApp. So he needs to ask Grace what she thought of the song. After sharing the song, he needs to take the feedback also. Now he will be receiving a text message from Grace. He can click on the link and it is redirected to the browser window that opens with Spotify. This receive section is majorly the part of Grace, the person to whom the song is being shared. So as soon as she receives the text message, when she clicks on the link, she is open to the browser window of Spotify. And now she can basically listen the song or and give her feedback whether of approval or disapproval. So these were basically the stages. When you can see the thoughts, there are the thoughts, the person who is sharing the song as well as the thoughts of the person to whom the song is being shared. So we can see the thoughts also. There are the touch points. The touch points basically refers to the screen on which the people have to click in order to complete that process. So initially it was just the Spotify app, but along with that, the new apps that came into play would be WhatsApp and the messaging app as well. The emotions would be of the person who has shared as well as the person who to whom the song is being shared as well. So we are talking about neutral stages, excited stages, annoyed, curious, and these kind of emotions that the person goes through while in the journey at each and every step. So this entire is called a customer journey map, and this would help us in identification of the pain points at each step so that we can solve for them and improve the customer experience ultimately. So I have another example for you guys. So this is for Netflix onboarding journey. So again, in this the same structure we have followed: stage, steps, thoughts, touch points, and emotions. So we'll just discuss the stage part, and you can go through the thoughts, touch points, and emotions part for yourself. So in this, the stage part would consist of visit, get started, creation of account, choosing of plan, choosing of payment method, and then starting to watch. So basically, the onboarding journey refers to the journey where the person has to get onboarded onto a platform from a new user. So the person opens Netflix on his phone or laptop, sees the poster of different things to watch. So these are the recommendation of shows, the TV series, and all the other entertainment sources on Netflix. Now the person would be prompted to create an account on the platform. So the person has to choose a plan according to preferences. That would be different kind of plans like mobile, basic, standard, or premium. Once the person chooses a plan, there would be a payment method choosing option. So he can choose any payment method. And after this, the account creation has been done, and the person would be redirected to the screen with his account and with the recommendations from Netflix to watch the TV series and shows. So this was a journey for Netflix onboarding. And this also, each and every step, we can identify pain points and solve for better customer experience. So in order to summarize, the 4 steps of creating a journey map are defining the scope, choosing a persona, outlining the steps, and adding lanes. So if I want to just summarize in a very layman language, then you need to identify yourself as the customer. Think of what you have to go through the entire process in terms of stages, emotions, thoughts, and touch points. These are the 4 basic dimensions that you need to go through and understand in order to create an effective customer journey map. So with this, we have come to the end of our video. And these are some of the recommended readings that I recommend you guys should go through. This is an article, there is one article, and there is a YouTube video. So these articles would help you in understanding the creation of customer journey maps and the intent of creating customer journey maps in a better way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, thank you.